Dolphins. Dolphins, 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 dolphins. Amongst the most beautiful and graceful creatures in all of God's underwater Eden. When dolphins first evolved from their hypothesized bird-fish-like ancestors around 60 billion years ago, many other species mocked them for their ungainly, bottle-shaped mouths, which made eating most foods a real difficulty, especially Twixes. Of course, it wasn't until dolphins first took to the water and started eating fish that we other species realized how remarkably adept they are in the underwater realm. Dolphins are renowned for their high intelligence. In fact, dolphins are the only other animal species besides humans known to consciously dislike one another. This has allowed them to form tight social hierarchies based on class and how much tax they pay. Some dolphins have been observed deliberately shunning young dolphin mothers with loads of kids, whilst other dolphins will actively avoid areas where loutish dolphins are known to inhabit. This dolphin doesn't like foreign dolphins that come and take his jobs, whilst this middle-class dolphin likes foreign dolphins, as they did a good job on his conservatory. For years, gypsy dolphins have run water circuses, wowing us with their tricks and remarkable skill at jumping out of the water, rotating, and jumping back in. Of course, the most famous gypsy dolphin, Phil Collins, has gone on to become a megastar in his own right, releasing several albums with the help of his army of percussive sea lions. Dolphins really are amazing creatures, aren't they?